Well, I got this concrete chipped off of the slab all the way down to the corner there. And now I'm going to bust up this concrete here if I can. So the next clip you hear might be a little noisy. This thing here is broken and I gotta hold it just right. Oh, or it'll break my arms.
No idea what that would be. No idea. All right. Oh God, my back. Sweet mother of God. Oh. That's a puzzler there. No clue. All right. All right, I'm gonna pick up all this concrete and then I'm gonna get a magic marker. Hold on. I'm gonna get my tape measure and I'm gonna mark my 8-foot centers all the way down here because that's where my holes are gonna go for my 4x4s. Okay, you coming? Let's go take a break. Put your seatbelt on. All right, that pipe has to come out. So I'm going to start with the easiest way to the hardest way if this doesn't work. Easiest way being I grab a hold of this and it comes right out. The hardest way being I have to dig it out. So let's get you in this little tripod here. Let's see. Get this adjusted. All right. That's a pipe wrench, by the way. That is a pipe wrench, and this is a pry bar. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Oh. Can't do it by hand. What about now? All right. There you go. All right. Now I got to pick up all my concrete, and then I'm gonna sweep it off real good. Then I'm gonna mark off my 8-foot centers on the concrete. All right, I got my 8 foot marked off, and this is not 48 foot. This is 49 foot. So I'm gonna shift everything to that direction 6 inches. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I've marked my 8 foots out, starting from the where a 4x4 would go there. And what I'm going to do is start all my 4x4s on the edge of the mark, so that will move everything down 4 inches, and that'll be more close to being
centered. So the next thing is to dig the holes, get the 4x4s and the cement and some bracing. And but I can't do it tomorrow. Tomorrow we are expecting a monsoon. And if it stops raining, I'm going to run over to Lowe's and get all my lumber. And I probably won't get my cement because there's just no dry place to put it if it does continue to rain. So Saturday, if my wife doesn't talk me into riding, I will probably start digging my holes, setting poles and squaring them and getting them on 8-foot centers. Okay, that's it. So you'll see this Friday morning, and keep an eye on the weather because they are telling us to expect some major stormage. See you tomorrow.
Slow down.
This is why I hate unions. These people are making more money than anybody that lives around here.
Yep.
They got good benefits. They get holidays off. They got great insurance, retirement.
Shifts. They got 3 shifts. That's how much work they got.
And that's not enough. They're standing on the road. They're shoving their stupid signs out in front of people, and it's just a whole. Well, the word I want to use, I can't use on YouTube. It starts with cluster, okay? And, why are they letting them do that, man? I mean, this is a public road. Nobody should have to put up with this on a public road. It's a real danger to everybody.
I just seen that flatbed when he pulled in there. They all walked within, a couple of feet of his hood as he was trying to turn.
Yeah.
And then you got, the trailer off track, and I'm surprised he didn't wipe out half of them. But
And that is one of the reasons why when I bought my truck, I never hauled to union shops. I wouldn't haul into or out of union shops anymore. I hated the unions because of what they do to people who aren't union. People who aren't union still got to get their job done. And going the other way, we went this way to go get our groceries, to go make groceries. And flatbed truck was turning in there, and they wouldn't get out of his way, and assholes. Yep, I still hate unions, still hate them. And I suffered a lot at the hands of unions when I was a young man. I had no choice but to haul freight to or from union shops, and that was actually one of the reasons I bought my truck, is because I did not want to mess with unions anymore. Big waste of time. Everybody else's time.
Gee,
What?
Brad, tell us how you really feel.
Should
You've
that
turned
be?
into a whiner.
I've turned into a cranky old man, haven't I? You kids, get off my grass. I swear my wife saw this from outside the store.
Replaced my dishwasher with a brand new one, and I only paid a small service fee.
I woke up on a Saturday morning, there was no hot water in the shower. So I called American Residential Warranty. They sent a repairman to fix the problem the same day. Plan options include coverage for central air, heat, and ductwork.
Interior electrical systems and plumbing.
Major kitchen appliances.
Water heaters.
Washers and dryers.
Garage door openers.
Ceiling fans and more.
Even pools and spas.
American Residential Warranty gives you security and peace of mind with plans starting at less than $1 per day. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee on any plan.
Call now or go to getahomeplan.com to learn how you can get 2 free months.
And for a limited time, you can get a home security system valued at $850 free with any plan.
You can call American Residential Warranty 24/7.